everyone, I'm so excited today because our topic is very, very important. It is popular, but because it works. Intermittent fasting. So if there's any one of you there who's interested to know how it works, if it works, well, I'm here to share our story because we have been doing intermittent fasting for 2 or 3 years now, and it works. The benefits, the whys, and the pros and cons. So stay with me. Welcome everyone to my channel, The Real D. My name is Jackie D. I help and inspire moms and women to be fit, to be healthy, and to feel good about themselves. And today we are talking about intermittent fasting because we're all about staying fit and healthy in mind and in body. Intermittent fasting is actually a behavior where we fast for a specific number of hours and then we break that fast. There are many ways by which you can do intermittent fasting. I'm not a medical expert or nutritionist or anything like that, but based on what I've read and talking to my doctor or talking to experts out there, talking to nutritionists, I've picked up some very, very good values, and that's what we injected into our lifestyle. So that's what I'm sharing with you today. So today will be very simple, very casual, just to show you how we do it, because I want you to enjoy the process. You know, if you've been watching my videos, my goal is if you want to lose weight or if you want to just be healthy or be fit, I don't want you to be miserable. What I always say to those who have asked me about health transformation is that when you want to be healthy, when you want to take that fitness journey, I don't want you to be miserable. I don't want you to miss on the good things in life. I don't want you to not eat your favorite things, because we only have one life, and that is what makes my journey really, really relatable and doable and fun, is because we're not starving. Hello, I'm still eating those favorite pastries. I'm still eating my cake. I'm still eating desserts. I'm still eating snacks because we are normal. We want to eat. Okay, before I start talking about intermittent fasting, for those of you who are hearing me just now, I want to let you know that we actually started eating healthy in 2016. That was because I could no longer reach for my toes when I would be putting my shoes. My tummy was in the way. I used to take anti-hypertension medicines and anti-cholesterol medicines because nervous breakdowns, high blood pressure, heart attacks, heart ailments, they all run in my family. Now, on my husband's side, there is diabetes that runs in the family and cancer. So I go, oh my gosh, my girls, they're going to inherit so many illnesses from both sides. But there is actually an option. Living healthy, adopting a healthy lifestyle is definitely the way to go. So, okay, we started eating healthy in 2016, and then we started regular exercises in 2017. Well, at least my youngest daughter and myself. My eldest daughter followed in 2018. So gym, 4 to 5 times, sometimes 6 times a week. We were in the gym. We're talking 2017, 2018. And then in 2019, my husband decided to go into intermittent fasting. And you know, when the family comes together to do something, it really, really helps. So we were all on the same page. And then the pandemic happened. And of course, nobody wanted to go to the gym. Plus the gyms closed after that. But we exercised at home. Let's discuss the benefits of intermittent fasting. Number 1, it's convenient. Since we did intermittent fasting, I had more time to do other things because that was one less cooking to do. You eat your dinner, and then after that you go to sleep anyway, and then you wake up, and then you just like wait a little bit, few more hours before you eat your lunch. It's mentally healthy because I know that I am healthy physically and that I'm eating good food, and it helps to know that you are actually taking care of yourself. Third, you don't have to count calories because you are already fasting. You're only practically eating 2 main meals a day. So that's already 1 meal out of your system. Even then, because as most of you know who are following me, because I have injected a few of the values that I learned about keto, we are also doing a little bit of keto. So I'm really, really proud to say that I am using the values that we learn from all of these healthy practices into a lifestyle that we have. And of course, don't forget exercise. I know not everybody wants the word exercise, because suddenly when we're talking about exercise, suddenly our calendar is full. Oh, I have so much on my plate. I have a meeting. I have to blah, 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 blah. I have no time for exercise. But really, if we can set a time for our meeting, if we can set a time to shop, why can't we set 30 minutes for exercise, right? Okay, so what do we do for intermittent fasting? We eat dinner late. 7:30, sometimes 8, because my husband works until 6 p.m. and so he has to do his 1.5 hours of exercise on his bike. And I'm so happy that he's exercising. 8:30, we're done. No more eating. That's 8 to 12 all the way. When I wake up, nothing. I wake up, I drink water. I will have my coffee by 7 as I prepare for work. And then I will take a break, like vegetables, zucchini, whatever. And then I eat my lunch. If ever I'm going to snack in the afternoon, I would be eating nuts or, again, fruit. And then we eat dinner. So that's it. And especially if you're just grilling meat and then you have salad, that's so easy, right? That's why intermittent fasting is very convenient. Do remember, though, that the effects of intermittent fasting on women are different on men. So because we are women and my channel is about empowering women, I wanted to let you know that intermittent fasting lowers your blood pressure, but it may increase your sugar. And that is why I practice my sustainable keto. We don't have added sugar. For years now, since 2016, if ever we need to really sweeten our food, I have fruit-based sweeteners. Also for women, I have learned that intermittent fasting can affect your fertility, your periods. So just keep that in mind, okay? So if you're doing intermittent fasting and suddenly you have irregular periods, check with your doctor just so you know what's really going on. My husband, by the way, was diagnosed with borderline diabetes before he went on his exercise and intermittent fasting, and he's safe. He is no longer diagnosed for any risks of diabetes. So I'm so happy. It's the benefit of eating healthy, knowing what to eat, and exercise. It helps clear the body and clear the mind. So there you go. Those are my tips about intermittent fasting and how I made that eating behavior work for me and my family. Life is beautiful. It's meant to be celebrated. If you think you're liking my video, if you think that you're getting some value from what I'm sharing, please don't forget to subscribe, because I post an episode every Sunday at 9:30 a.m. Pacific time. And don't forget to comment. I really love hearing from you. Let me know if intermittent fasting has worked for you, or if you're really very interested to know more about it. I have links below so that you can go check out the resources that I use. And don't forget to share. Please share and smash that like button. Yeah, there is nothing impossible if you put your heart into something. Thank you once again for joining me. It's another Sunday and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. And remember, enjoy your day, enjoy your life, feel happy, feel empowered, because we want to be healthy in mind and in body. And again, thank you to those who have subscribed to my channel already and to those who are commenting in my previous videos and hopefully this video. I really, really, really love you all, and I am just as inspired because of you. Bye for now.